Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to stream videos with VLC Media Player step by step. Whether you want to play an online video, stream content from a network, or watch media from a streaming link, VLC makes the process simple and reliable. So let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once it's running, click the Media menu at the top of the window and select Open Network Stream. This option lets you play videos directly from an online source without downloading them first. Next, paste the video or streaming URL into the network address field. Double-check that the link is correct, then click play. VLC will connect to the stream and begin playing the video if the link is valid and the source is available. If the stream doesn't start immediately, wait a few moments for VLC to buffer the content. Your internet speed and the streaming server can affect how quickly the video begins playing. A stable internet connection usually provides smoother playback with fewer interruptions. While the video is streaming, you can use the normal playback controls to pause, adjust the volume, switch to full screen mode, or move through the stream if the source supports seeking. You can also access subtitle and audio options from the menu, just like you would with a local video file. And that's it. You now know how to stream videos with VLC Media Player using a network stream link. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.